right, yogis, let's get started right away into cat-cow pose. So when you're ready, come into a tabletop position. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and stack your hips over your knees. And we will warm up our spine. Take a deep inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly down, work your gaze forward. Exhale, cat pose. Round your spine and send your chin to your chest. Inhale back to cow. Drop your belly. Exhale, cat pose. Round your spine. And take a couple more cat cows on your own. Really massage your organs. Get nice and warm. And when you've had enough, make your way back to just a still tabletop position. Okay, so now send your big toes to touch and separate your knees about mat distance apart. And slowly send your hips back to your heels for a child's pose. Reach your arms out long in front of you and melt your forehead down towards the earth. Good. Take a deep inhale. Slowly rise back up into a tabletop position. And exhale. Spread your fingers nice and wide. Take a deep inhale as you tuck your toes in. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lift your knees up and shoot your hips up and back. Okay, so pedal out your legs here. Take out any kinks, any pops. When you've had enough, come back to just a neutral downward facing dog. And take a deep inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, ragdoll pose. So slowly walk your feet behind your wrists. Once you've made your way there, grab opposite elbows and let your head hang nice and heavy, maybe even sway from side to side. Feel a nice release in your low spine. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale, release your fingertips down to your mat and bring your feet together a little closer, maybe even to touch. Take another deep inhale. Bend your knees and slowly uncurl all the way up to standing, one vertebra at a time, with your head arriving last. You've made it to the top. Take a few shoulder rolls, a few neck rolls. And come to stillness. Mountain pose. Now take another deep inhale. Reach your arms up nice and high. Engage your quadriceps, draw your belly in, and relax your shoulders down away from your ears. Take another deep inhale, grow an inch taller. Exhale, chair pose with airplane arms. So bend your knees, shift your weight into your heels and reach your arms back behind you. You should feel an activation into your glutes. Okay, so we'll do a big lunge here. Inhale, back bend. Rise all the way up, expose your heart, bend your elbows, gaze up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Namaste, stand at attention. Close your eyes. Turn a little bit more inward. Connect with your breath and take a moment to set an intention for your day. Seal that intention here with a deep inhale through your nose and an open mouth exhale. Namaste. Nicely done.